What's up people of the world? This is Biggs D, Pinoy Cowboy. Ang cowboy na mahilig mag-exercise pero tamad pumunta sa gym. Kaya sa katamaran ko, bumili na naman ako ng bagong resistance band. Alright, so mag-upgrade tayo ng resistance band. This is actually a heavy duty resistance band na meron 150 pounds na tension, guys, no? So nag-range siya from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So all in all, yung total niyan is 150 pounds of tension. Yun yung bagong upgrade natin. Ito yun, guys. So ito siya. So i-unbox na natin. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ng isang heavy duty na resistance band, no? Unlike previous videos natin, yung ginagamit natin, yun actually pinakamura na resistance band online na binili ko. Pero mukhang nagkamali tayo, so nauwi rin tayo sa upgrade, kaya kumuha tayo ng bagong resistance band. Alright, so let's go ahead, let's unbox this thing. 150 pounds of tension resistance band. Let's get it on. Alright, open na natin. And then mamaya papakita ko rin sa inyo yung diferensya. Alright, so inside this bag, syempre unang-una dyan, ito yung ating resistance band. 5 resistance band, iba-iba, may color coding siya. Meron din siyang kasamang 2 ankle strap, guys, no? Yung kanyang grip. Okay, ayan, 2. Okay. Door stopper. So, ito pwede nyo i-connect to sa pintuan, sa ibabaw, sa gitna, sa ilalim. So, ito yung ginagamit dyan, no? Bihirang-bihira lang ako gumamit nito, guys, no? Check out natin itong mga resistant bands natin, no? So, makikita nyo, iba-iba yung poundage yan, no? So, ito meron tayong 50 pounds, no? 40. Ayan, may 40. So, iba yung nakamababa, 10 pounds. Okay? Na 30 pounds, white, 20 pounds of tension. Alright, so all in all, total neto, kung gagamitin mo siya lahat ng sabay-sabay, is 150 pounds of tension. There you go. So, at saka makikita nyo, guys, talagang napakakapal niya, no? 'Di ba? Kahit na ma-stretch siya, guys, hindi siya magiging translucent. 'Di ba? So, papakita ko naman sa iyo yung una nating ginamit na resistance band. Alright? So, ito yung pinakauna natin na resistance band. No? Makikita nyo, yung rubber band niya, sobrang lambot lang. No? Siguro mga 3 pounds or 2 pounds lang each yung rubber bands. No? Alright? At saka, mapapansin nyo, parang ito yung ginagamit sa hospital, diba? Pagka tuturukan kayo or kukunan kayo ng dugo, itatali sa braso nyo, tapos kukunan kayo ng dugo, no? Ganun yung quality ng resistance band na to. So, napakanipis. At saka pagka na-stretch na talaga siya, nagiging translucent. So, ganun yung quality niya. Tapos, yung pinakadulo niya, di ba? Ito yung protection niya dito. Diyan nag-snap. Yan yung breaking point niya. Pag nasagad yung tension, diyan naka-weakest link ng resistant band na to. Ito naman yung bago nating resistance band, 'di ba? Makikita niyo yung pinaka ano niya, kung gaano yan kakapal, guys, no. Para mas secure siya. Ayan. So meron pa siyang ganyan. At saka naka-indicate talaga kung ilang pounds yung resistant band. Tingnan niyo yung difference, 'di ba? Alright, so ang advice ko sa inyo, wag na kayong magtipid, no? So, ganun din. Siguro mga 3 days or 4 days yun lang gagamitin. bibigay yung ganitong klaseng resistance band. So make sure yung bibili nyo rin yung itsuran. Alright? Kasi naka-indicate din dyan kung ilan yung pounds ng tension. So yan yung much better na bilhin nyo. Huwag na kayong magtipid guys. Ganitong klase kasi ito yung pinakamura. So online to, pinakamura nito is 121 pesos, no? Naman tong nabili natin na heavy duty na resistance band is around 498. Yan, depende yan sa seller sa online, okay? So yan na yung gagamitin natin from now on. Alright, yan guys yung pinaka-complete set yan, no? May kita nyo na color coding siya. Meron din siyang naka-indicate kung ilang pounds yung isang resistance band, no? Ayan yung complete set niya. So may kita nyo yung dalawang handle grip, dalawang ankle strap, isang door stopper, at saka yung bag niya. So yan yung complete set niya. 11 pieces in total. Of course guys, the ultimate testing natin. So with this 10 pounds resistance band, we're going to do the reverse bicep curl. Alright? Okay, 10 pounds. Alright, 10 pounds tension with reverse grip bicep curl. Okay. Alright, very nice. Right. Woo! All right. Alright, so that would be the 10 pounds tension resistance band on the reverse grip bicep curl. Testingin natin siya guys. Let's do some hammer curls with this 20 pounds. Alright, right now we're doing hammer curls with this 20 pounds na resistance band. Alright. Okay. Right. And next one yung 30 pounds. So with this 30 pounds, we're going to do the basic bicep curl with this 30 pounds. Alright? Alright, that's 30 pounds. Okay. Alright, very nice. Alright. Alright, 30 pounds of tension with this resistance band. Alright. Basic bicep curl with the 30 pounds tension. Alright. 40 pounds tension of resistance band. We're going to do alternate bicep curl. Alright? Alternate bicep curl with the 40 pounds tension resistance band. Alright. Okay. Alright. Lovely. Very, very nice, guys. So you can really feel yung pagka heavy duty nung ating resistance bands, no? So no more worries to adjust on the tension, no? Kasi nung una talaga naman inaalalayan natin kasi parang feeling ko talaga mag-i-snap talaga from dun sa previous na ginagamit natin. Unlike this one, heavy duty, so you can do really hardcore workout with this one. I can say na napakaganda ng quality niya, right? Alright. Alternate bicep curl on the 40 pounds tension resistance band. Woo! And we're going to do crossbody hammer curls with this 50 pounds tension resistance band, right? Alright, with the 50 pounds tension crossbody hammer curls. Okay. That's 50 pounds tension on crossbody hammer curls, guys. 50 pounds tension. All right. Whew. Excellent. Very nice. Whew. Excellent. 50 pounds of tension on this resistance band. Crossbody hammer curls. Woo! Alright. Of course, guys, the ultimate testing natin, we're going to do all-in, guys, no? What do you mean by all-in? Meaning, lahat ng value ng pounds nilagay na natin dito. Alright, so 10 pounds, 20 pounds, 30 pounds, 40 pounds, 50 pounds. All in, guys. And for this testing, we're going to do chest flies with this ultimate testing. All in, all bands from 10 pounds to 50 pounds. Let's do this. So there you have it, guys, the unboxing, the review, and the ultimate testing of this 150 pounds of tension resistance bands. Alright, thank you very much for watching. This is Mix D, Pinoy Cowboy, saying keep on exercising because health is wealth, guys. Paalam!